The FoodSaver Vacuum Sealer sucks out air to keep foods fresh up to 5 times longer, making them ideal for commercial kitchens, restaurants, and grocery stores. To use the FoodSaver Vacuum Sealer, press the power button to turn the sealer on. Press the Mode button to select the desired vacuum mode. A light will illuminate next to the selected mode. Fill your bag and leave 3 inches of space at the top. With both hands, insert the open end of the bag under the sealer lid. The sealer will automatically close and lock once it detects the bag is inserted, and the vacuum and seal button lights will blink. Note, if misaligned, press the Cancel button to open the sealer lid and adjust. Press the Vacuum button to begin the vacuum sealing process. The vacuum and seal buttons will blink while your machine is running. Once complete, the lights will turn off and the sealer lid will automatically open. Note, if sealing liquids, excess fluid will be caught in the drip tray. Remove and empty the drip tray regularly to prevent overflow. Note, for more custom control, push pulse to your desired vacuum level. Then push the Seal button. To make custom bags, open the roll storage compartment in the back. Insert the roll into the storage compartment with the open end of the roll feeding towards the sealer. Please note, only FoodSaver rolls fit in the storage compartment. Open the lid and feed the end of the roll between the lid and the sealer. Pull the roll to the front edge just past the sealing strip. Then gently press the sealer lid down until it locks in place. Press the Seal button to seal the end of the bag. The sealer lid will automatically open once the seal is complete. Pull the bag to the desired length. Then gently press the sealer lid down until it locks in place. Then cut the bag by sliding the built-in cutter across. Press Cancel to release the locked lid, and repeat the steps to make additional custom bags. Close the storage compartment when complete. Be sure to shop now, watch more, and subscribe.